You know I work fast, man.
What's up, baby? Back at y'all once again with something a little different today. My new video setup. So we're gonna unbox what came in today. It's a new camera. Trying to get a little 4K, 8K, 10K. I ain't got 10K yet, but anyway, trying to come up on that, get y'all some better quality videos. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can really get to look at your boy. But yet and still, ride with your boy today. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow your boy on social media. I'm on Instagram at Showcago on IG. You understand? That's SHOWCAGO. Again, SHOWCAGO on Instagram. Follow your boy. Yes, sir. Let's check it out. You trying to do what?
Trying to do my video.
What's your videos about?
About ninjas.
What?
My videos are about toys.
She keeps telling me.
Oh yeah. Y'all be on the lookout for my other daughter. I don't even think y'all met her yet. She loves the Ninja Turtles. So, if y'all got kids and stuff, be on the lookout for that. She's entertaining as well. Yeah. We just gonna be some YouTube and mugs around here. But yeah, you ready, Jazz? Forget how to chop this video off for y'all. Why you standing there like the police? Huh? You on the set. Security. Check her credentials. Check her credentials. See if she got a backstage pass. Anyway, squad, know this is an off-topic video, but it will come in handy for people that's trying to do this YouTube thing or vlogs or whatever you call it. Am I talking loud enough? Jack? Can you hear? Okay, anyway. So, this is more of informational, and it's still an unboxing. You know, I apologize to the people, you know, but couldn't be here today. You know what I mean? She has other obligations. Okay? She's playing with toys, shit like that. But anyway, this is all about my new camera setup. Your boy is trying to go big. So, get y'all videos in 4K. That's what this is about. Also, at 1,000 subscribers, your boy doing a giveaway. You understand? And guess what I'm giving away? You guessed it. The camera that I'm currently using, which is a GoPro Max. And this ain't no cheap shit. It still costs a pretty penny. You understand? So, at 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving this camera that I'm using right now away. The lucky person will have it. And you can get your channel started, or hell, you just want to film family gatherings, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Other people use cameras for other things. We ain't gonna, the older folks know what that means, but they ain't gonna leave that right there. But so we're gonna get to unboxing this. Let y'all know what my new setup is. You understand? Can I get some scissors, a knife, or something to open the box with? You should have had that set up here for me.
No.
Tape.
No.
Scissors.
No.
Knife. You know?
I mean, I don't think that we should allow you to even have sharp objects after seeing the last video when you could have put the camera down and instead you over here trying to cut a box open with a camera in your hand.
But guess what?
What?
You were asleep.
Guess what? You an adult.
So if you
think about it.
So
think
if
about
you
it.
were woke.
Think about it. You didn't even have to do all that. All you have to do is put the camera down. And the camera has a stand.
But this is what I pay.
So it doesn't matter.
But this is what I pay you for.
You don't pay me.
Give me that shit. Excuse that. You understand? Look. You're always on a job interview. You understand what I'm saying? Always on the interview.
Okay.
So, let me get to unboxing this joint. Now, took me a little while to figure out what kind of camera I wanted to get, you know, because I really don't know. You know what I'm saying? Let me put this down.
Really?
I really don't know. Well, I really didn't know what camera I wanted to get, but the camera lady had already had this particular type of camera, and you know, she took some great pictures because she uses it for pictures. You understand what I'm saying? My baby does pictures, video editing, and all that. So that's at your service. We will be
will not be finishing a sentence. Yeah.
I'm trying to get you paid.
And you don't.
I pay you. You don't tell people that. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Drake told y'all. You started from the bottom, now you hit it. She started from the bottom and she act like she don't want to be here. But that's a whole nother story. Anyway, so with her camera led me to the camera setup that I wanted to purchase. It actually came out as a video starter kit, a video creator starter kit. So let me continue this. You know what I'm saying? And the good thing about this camera, or this video, what they call them?
What?
Cameras, what they call them? The pictures out of camera, what else? What's the thing when we record? Is that a camera too? Or is that a video? What they call it? A camcorder. Haha. It's both in one. You understand what I'm saying? So, you will get to, God dog it. These security seals on these boxes is a mother junk. I was trying not to. What you laughing at?
No.
So, you know they give you a lot of this stuff. So, okay, booyah. Here's your boy. You understand what I'm saying? Sound, quality. You know what I'm saying? Video creator kit, baby. So, this is the new setup. So I can put this down on the floor. Okay. Also, yeah. Your boy's on TV. Anyway, let me go ahead and unbox this. I thought I asked for a knife too.
Yeah, nobody trusts you with a knife. Just open the scissors.
Can I get a knife, please?
Open the scissors up. You ain't need a knife.
What you mean? I don't want to damage the box like that though, man. You understand what I'm saying? Can I get a knife?
Yeah. Do not. You don't need a knife.
Okay. So you say you ain't the one over here trying to open this joke.
Yeah.
Cause I'm trying to preserve the box. You feel me? You feel me?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Shit,
see, that's exactly why you can't get no knife.
oh, we gonna edit this on tape.
No, we're not.
You understand what I'm saying? Because it should not take
10
no
years.
grown person this long holding a box.
A grown person, you almost elderly.
You know what? Y'all take, okay, bye. Got it. You know what I'm saying? So, oh shit. Also, this video creator kit comes with a couple of different pieces, y'all. Important pieces that I thought was very essential. So, we got the mic that goes on top of the camera, as you can see, which also it comes with like, man, it got a little SD card too. And as you can see, this mic goes on top of the camera. So it came with the mic as well. And this is the meat and potatoes of the joint. Damn. Oh, this joke in here still don't move. Okay. Alright, so this is the camera. Canon EOS M50. So this is the new setup that I will be using. Let me go ahead and open it up. You know what I'm saying? We got instructions, all that. See, I ain't gotta worry about none of this part of it because I pay very well for somebody else to know how to work this. You know what I'm saying?
You do?
You understand what I'm saying?
You pay?
You understand what I'm saying?
You do?
Comes with a strap. The actual camera. The actual camera, you feel me? And what I like about this, y'all, is, damn. Okay. It has a little screen on there, bam, it flips, you understand? So while she doing her thing, I can look at me and see what she doing. See, like right now,
Okay,
I don't
wait a
know what
minute.
she doing.
Wait a minute. So then.
You know what I'm saying? I don't even know how it look right
Yes,
now.
you do.
What I'm saying is I can't see it while it's recording. Though,
Yeah,
okay?
but I'm saying, like, you already checked, you good.
So this is the actual camera dial. You understand? This is the charging kit for the battery. This is the battery. Oh, it come with a lens, an extra lens. Okay, yeah. So, like I said, this video is kind of off topic from the whips. You understand what I'm saying? But still very much informational info for those who's interested in getting a camera for whatever reason. You know what I mean? But yet still, this is my new setup. Oh man, I forgot to put that back. Yet still, this is what this video is about. Just a new camera setup. And to remind y'all that I am doing the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers of the GoPro Max that I'm currently using right now. So yeah, so everybody will definitely have a chance to win. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Butt pick the winner. Put all the subscribers in the hat, and I'm gonna have Butt pick the winner. Yeah. Alright, so bye. Booyah. This is the new disc or whatever. But yeah, this is what we rolling with. So, there you go. And I'm gonna hire y'all hopefully some better quality videos. Yeah, that's about it. So check out on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this stuff with your people, man. As I say all the time, share it with your peoples. Yes. You didn't cut it out, did you? Squad.